Hello, good morning to everyone. Welcome to Tech Easy. Today in this video, I'll tell you how you can close or fold automatic umbrella. See, for example, first this is an automatic umbrella. See here, this is the double layer protection, not the single layer, because if you can see, the back side is one layer. I'll give you the side up look, and there is some plastic pipe. See here, this is the double layer protection for this umbrella, especially for the windproof. See, it is just holding or can withstand heavy wind. Okay, this is the extra windproof umbrella which I bought for under 500 rupees. First of all, as this is the automatic umbrella, for closing also you need to just press this. Don't try to fold this manually like this, but instead what you can do is you can just just press the button to close and close like this. And now applying the pressure, just you can just fold like this. That's it. So this is how you can close automatic umbrella. So if you do have any other question, just do ask in the comments. If you want unboxing video of this particular umbrella, this is the Caldrish umbrella. I did an unboxing video detailedly. I'll be dropping the link in the description. You can just find it. Okay, if possible, I'll be attaching this in the view products also. Please do check it for the more details. And thanks for watching. Have a nice day.